Are you telling me this universe was created by nothing? By nothing?
No, sorry.
Okay.
I was just thinking.
Okay. This universe was created by 1 + 1. You don't in the camera saying that.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I agree with that point of view.
No, before that. Okay, my God he's one, unique. There's nothing like unto him. He has no beginning, no end. You know?
Yeah.
That's my God I believe in. So what is your God?
Someone that created the world.
Yeah, who is he? Define him.
Some that is there's no in my head there's no more substance to that. It finishes and it ends as the creator is someone who created the earth.
No, before that. So if the creator is the most wise, would he create the creation without any purpose? That's God and that's wisdom. Contradicting yourself. Because if I make a bottle and I say this bottle for you to put water, but there's a hole in it, everyone's gonna tell me you're crazy. How you make a bottle for water but you put a hole in it? So it's illogical, irrational to say the most wise creator created the creation without any purpose. What is known by necessity, and you know it deep down, that the creator has possessed the attribute of wisdom. There's no doubt this universe has a purpose. Every part of your body has a purpose. What about you as a whole?